today we are super excited. I have Bitcoin on the go, and I have two other altcoins, an index, and of course the dollar chart to just have a look at. We're going to fly through this video because I've got a lot to get through this morning. So I just want to share out there today. I'm wearing a bright yellow shirt, just like Carl from the moon. So that's pretty interesting, Carl. Blessings and light to you, man. And I hope that you have a really blessed and wonderful and beautiful day, guys. Okay, let's start off with the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Where are we? What are we doing? And how's it going over there? So I've had my tonic for the day. I'm ready to take this day on. I've had my capsules. I've had my natural probiotic liquids, really delicious. I've had colloidal silver. Colloidal silver is phenomenal for immune boosting. And of course, I've got water, liters and liters of water ready to drink through the day. Should be drinking at least 3, maybe 4 liters a day, depending on if you're exercising or not. It's always depending on your movement, the temperature, and your location, of course. And listening to your body, most importantly. Okay, guys, let's start off with the Bitcoin chart. I'm just going to spend time on the 4-hour chart because we all know what's happening on the previous or the daily time frames at least. So what's happened is we've had some on the volume. We've had some strong buy power right here at my blue line, which you can now see is resistance. We've been knocked around here a few times between my blue line and the 4-hour ribbon, and we're still above my descending wedge channel. So what we're doing is it looks like we're finding support on the ribbon, and we're getting ready to look at a possible breakout here into the future over the next couple days. So that's pretty exciting. I think you should really take a look at that and keep yourself closely posted. So we had more buy strong power over here, pushed the candle back up. So we're waiting here. Once this can break my blue line, I have a good strong feeling that we're probably gonna do something along the lines of coming here, bounce up, come down, bounce, 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 and then push our way back up, which will probably then bring us to our channel trend line above here, which is where we need to get back at least to the 50k level. So that's probably the next target right now. But as you all know, once we break out of this purple box here, we could easily head right back up to 58, 57. And as we all know, Carl said it himself, and a few other YouTubers are also saying it, but you can see here there's pretty much a neckline at my blue line, and we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. So if we take the target, we're really looking at the target from here to the neckline at the very least, and let's take it and put it here right above so we can have a look. And okay, so 55,000 odd is the level that we would be hoping to knock out the park. So let's delete some of these things here. But yeah, other than that, we're really looking pretty cool here. So so far so good. And if we can get to that 54 level, we can see that we met with another level of resistance at this purple box. But that would bring us back up into the upward channel, and then we would probably bounce around here, try and find some supports at the bottom of the channel, and then start to make our way back up. So that's it for Bitcoin for the moment. If you have any questions, please put your indication below. I would absolutely love that. So also, guys, while I'm here on the charts, one of my followers, so thank you to my followers, really asked me a question on how to stake LANDSHARE. So I'll be doing that video for you later on today, and you can just have a look at that, obviously, and then see what you can do then to get yourself into the staking pool. Okay, blessings and love and light and abundance to you. So let's have a look at the dollar chart here. So the dollar index, we're really looking pretty sideways at the moment. We tried to do a breakout here, but it was actually a fake out, but we haven't broken a low. So we're pretty much trading sideways here since 15th of November last year, which is pretty cool. There's major resistance in the purple box above head. So if it can't break this, we're going to see it come down, which is then fantastic for us in crypto and altcoins, etc., because then we should see some huge momentum to the upside. So with that being said, obviously we're kind of sitting on the ribbons. You can see the ribbon is really just flatlining here. It looks like it's on its deathbed, to be very honest. But who are we to say that? The market could do anything. Could go up, could go down, go sideways, could do whatever it wants. What matters is that we're ready to take a trade whichever way it goes, up or down, bullish or bearish, because that's who we are. So let's have a look at the crypto index, guys. Now, this is something that I have spotted recently, and I have started discussing this with my family. And this is a safe bet for you to basically put your funding into on the crypto 20 index. So you'll probably ask me, where do I go and buy the crypto 20 index? Oops, excuse me, crypto 20 index. So I'll come back to that, but I just want to come back to the chart here. So we'll get to this. But this is basically the top 20 coins within the crypto space. So of course you're going to be very, very well protected, and of course you need to look at putting your money in at the right times. Please, it's not financial advice, but for me it's a really good space. It's a safe space. It's safer than betting on individual cryptos, because what this pool does is it switches out the top 20 tokens as they do on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and then they start to make they start to move in the direction that obviously the market moves in. So obviously if it comes down, it comes down as we've been coming down over the past little while. So I haven't done any purple boxes on this trade just yet, but just very simply, if we can just have a look at one simple point of real strong key resistance at this point, is this level. So as we can see, pretty much the entire crypto space is sitting at a key level, which is honestly, it looks like it's about to burst and break out. So first of all, on this crypto 20 chart, we had a low over here and a pull back up immediately, and then we had a bullish type run, which then ended up coming back into the ribbons and then faked out to the bottom, and then now we're sitting within the ribbons still. So it's still a good space. We're sitting kind of between support and resistance. I'd probably say this is resistance at the moment, of course, just like all the rest of the cryptos. But if this has to do a little bit of a breakout, we can see we've also got a shoulder and a head and a small shoulder pattern. So if this had to break out, our immediate target for this specific level would be over, yeah. So we would probably see this come up to 25,000. So that is a good 25% increase there. And then of course we can see it will be met with other resistance levels, and then from there we will of course see where we go. But if that happens, guys, I can tell you something, that we're above the ribbon, we're above the level of support here. We go straight back up above this level, which is an important level on the top crypto 20. And then this then basically will play around in this area until it looks for more bullish momentum. So do you guys want to see two cryptocurrencies that I'm invested in, that I see huge, massive, insane, absolutely awesome potential? Well, let's get to it then, right? I don't want to waste any more time. So let's have a look at SLP USDT. So guys, SLP USDT. So what we want to have a look at is that we fell right down, and here we immediately found support here at the 0.0086 level, and then we immediately pushed the bullish momentum back up, but we were quickly met with a resistance level where the white line is here. But with that being said, between the resistance and finding some support, which is above the ribbons, and you can see the ribbons are twisting back into a bullish momentum, you're going to say that this is probably a confirmed bullish trend with finding some support here. So what we'll probably see here in the next couple days is a breakout of this white line and a push up to the next purple box level, which is then where way more major resistance is obviously being met. So we can see the resistance here, we can see the spike down here, and immediately pull back up. So we'll probably come and sit around here, but once we get to this point and we can break up above this box, it's pretty smooth sailing from this box onwards up. So if I can say to you guys, if we had to come back to the top of this price on this crypto, I'm going to say to you that, in fact, let's take it from our current level. Let's not be even more drastic. Let's take this right up to this level. We're looking at a 1,267% gain. That's if it makes it right back up to its previous all-time high. Guys, that's an insane gain. Like, surely you would want to put $1,000 in and come back with $12,760. Yes, of course. That's what making money is all about. You put it in and you make more. So that's quick SLP. You can buy SLP on Binance. That's my favorite place to buy it. And then you can actually stake it for 2% rewards. It's not much, but it is certainly something, and you're being rewarded for, of course, using the crypto. Let's have a look at our final and last cryptocurrency for the day. And this is a really beautiful chart, I have to say to you guys. First of all, sand. Pretty much the entire internet is talking about sand, and sand is really looking extremely bullish. We had this huge push up here, all the way right from pretty much 85 cents right up to $8. That's a literal 10x, guys, on your capital. So you put $1,000 in, you walk away with 10,000. You bank it out. Excuse me, I got an itch. And then you basically look at how the crypto space works. So the same thing here with the ribbons. We're sitting sideways, we're sitting under resistance, but we're sitting above the white line support. So we are pretty good. There is this triangle here, and we're sitting with the channel or the bullish triangle, which seems to be a lot more bullish than bearish, which is a great sign. So if we can break above this purple box of resistance and then find some support back on the purple box of resistance, that is going to turn the ribbons. It's going to put us above our levels that we need, and we're going to literally pump this right back up to the universe. So I really look forward to that. And this is sand, so we've probably got only this level of resistance. Once we meet that level of resistance, we're really gonna see some major bullish momentum, and that's of course all dependent on our favorite big boy Bitcoin. So let's see what this will do. Literally, you can 100x your money. So you can 2x your money if this hits all-time highs at this point, and anything over and above that is pretty much a bonus. But into the future, this crypto certainly has at the very least a minimum of 100x gain, and you could probably see 1,000x gain. And why are you asking that? Well, sand actually has a ton of land, and a lot of people are coming into the sand space because they want to advertise digitally. So that's pretty absolutely awesome. So what you want to come do is you want to look at the crypto20.com. So here's the website, crypto20.com. Let's go have a look so that we can quickly just see what it's all about, and then I will love and leave you for the day. So I'm not going to log in or do anything here, but basically this is the world's first index fund, which is you can buy it on Invictus, or you can buy on BTC or Uniswap. So the fund value is 66 million. The token is C20. The token price is $3.54. We've had an increase of 0.65% in the past 1 hour, which is pretty cool. So these are the tokens, the 20 tokens that are available in that top 20. And as you can see, Bitcoin's weight is only 9.7%, and Ethereum's weight is a little bit higher. And then you can see the rest of the cryptocurrencies, they're weighted out by their performance and their energy. So really, when you come and look at the chart here, it's looking pretty darn awesome. And if I have to put a descending channel line down, we can see, just like sand, we're almost at pretty much at that same breakout level. So we literally in the crypto space are at a critical point. And let's just please for one moment go and have a solid look here. I like CoinGecko. I really like CoinGecko incredibly so much. There's so much information on CoinGecko that is really incredible and absolutely reliable. So I just want to come show you what the crypto market cap is looking at for today. We're sitting at a 2.07 trillion, and we're 0.4% down in the past 24 hours. That's not bad, guys, considering where we are. This is awesome. We're up $400 billion in the past 2 weeks, guys. That's insane. And of course, we all know Warren Buffett has also now invested into Bitcoin, because there is utility, there is fundamentals, there is bullish momentum, and who on this earth wouldn't be investing their money into Bitcoin right now? Okay, because institutional investments are coming in heavy and large, and you're going to want to ride that wave too. So in Bitcoin, that's on you guys. But for me, I'm in Bitcoin, I'm in Ethereum, I'm in a whole bunch of altcoins. I'm going to do some more videos over the next few days on other altcoins that I'm in and why I like those projects, and I'll dive deep into those projects. But for now, please go and have yourself a blessed and beautiful and wonderful day ahead. Blessings and love and light. Kiara Ducash from the All Things Health and Wealth Show. If you enjoyed my content, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Your community love and kindness really helps me to grow this channel tremendously. So appreciate your love, appreciate your energy. Have a super wonderful day, and blessings to you all, blessed.